Hi guys, welcome back to part 5. So what we've recently been doing, I don't know if you've been following the previous builds, but working on the Mark 1 CADDY 1988, and the plan is to restore it. So recently I've had to go and get all the welder and get all the gas and set it all up, and it's been an absolute nightmare, but we've finally got there in the end. So what we're going to start doing today is using the 25 by 25 bar to make the bracing. So yeah, let's go with that. Let's go. So far what we've been doing recently is putting the bar in, one across, one there, and I started to make a brace in it now. So I've had to play around with the welder, and me and my dad, bless him, I've been trying to make it fucking stick. But clearly, you know, it's not the best welds, but it's got it, do you know what I mean? That ain't going anywhere. So the plan today is finish off there, come across. I'll probably have to go down to B&Q and go get another one. I want one running down and another one running down. So yeah, here we go. All braced up, need to walk, go around it all, and just, because I've only tack welded it in, just make a proper good seam weld. But apart from that, that will do, I think. That will do. So the next thing to do now, like I said, just go around, just tidying everything up. Don't go too close, it's all pigeon shit. Yeah, just make sure all the bars are all welded together. And we can flip it over and start cutting away at shit. There we go. Right, in the last few videos, it has been a bit slow doing what I'm doing because I am running a full-time job. So, progress with the caddy so far, we literally braced up inside. You will see obviously the video on that. Well, today, I reckon one of my very good mates, JB Paint, if you follow him on Instagram or Facebook, he's the guy that's going to be painting the whole truck. So me and him have already thought of a colour that we're going to go with it. So it's getting there. It's one of them. We took all the metal plating off down the side here, and my friggin' god, it's worse than we thought. To be fair, there is patchwork here. There's a hole there on the strut tower. I don't know how far I'm going to go with this yet, but I'm thinking about just getting a body cut, replacing that bit, or we'll just tack along as we go along. But now the bracing is in, now technically we can put it start. don't want to lift it too far over just yet because I am still a little bit wary on the rotisserie. But making progress, it's one of them, making progress. So I have got wire wheels because I want to start getting the seal off here. I'm not too bothered around about the actual floor pan itself because we have got replacement parts over there. But back area, I do need to play more. So that's technically what I'm going to be doing today, is going to wire wheel out and go and ham on it, because it's got to one of them decisions now. Have I made a financial mistake, or do I just keep going? One of them, like, I've had, like a crap. Right, anyway, let's get on with it. I've only literally had about 20 minutes going at it, and already it's hard stuff to get off, so you don't really want to watch like an hour to 2 hours worth of me just going through it, scratching my head and doing shit. But I'm going to leave it at that, and then hopefully get this video uploaded so we can get cracked on the next one. So in the next episode, hopefully all the understeer will be off, so I can start working out what bits need to cut off, because also I've got so many panels there. I've got so many panels in my basket that I need to pay for. We'll do that at the end of the month when I get paid. So I'll leave that video up there. Join us in the next episode. Hope you all enjoy so far. You can see that I've made a financial mistake, but it is one of them cars that I've always wanted ever since I was little. Like all my mates now, all I've ever wanted was one of these trucks. And I don't know why, maybe because I'm an idiot, I don't have a clue. But we'll get there, it's one of them, this is my dream car, so I want to finish it. But I'm only having like an hour or two, you know, in the week, or a few hours on the weekend, but obviously I work a full-time job. So we do bits when we can. So thank you for watching. Join us in part 6. Thank you.